Hello everyone, my name is Irina and in today's video I want to talk about Universitaly Portal, how we can register there and why we actually need it. Let's start with answering this question, why we actually need registration on Universitaly Portal. And it's really simple. Universitaly is a bridge between you, university, and the consulate. Without it, without Universitaly, it's impossible to get visa. So when we register on Universitaly, we make a connection between you, university, and the embassy or consulate. And after this, you can apply for a visa. And this kind of finalizes your enrollment, your pre-enrollment to the university. And let's see how we can create an account and in the form so we can do a pre-enrollment for the university and get our visa. And then start with searching Universitaly in Google or any other search engine. So we have it here. You will also find the link in the description below. We click on it, see the website, and then we go here to open our account. We can see here there are two options to log in. One of them is with the Italian credentials and another one with personal credentials. Because and we will use the second one. For this option, we need our email and password. And let's see how we can register. Well, here we will add our name, for example, Arina, and our surname, my surname. Here we show our email, our phone number, um, and here we have to add some personal information. For example, here we will choose the state where we were born. There we should add our birthday. Then we choose our gender. It's our gender. Then we should choose our citizenship. Is here. Then based on the information we added here and here, it will create codice fiscale, which you will need for the bureaucratic procedures in Italy. Then we have to add our identity documents. We will choose passport. It means we will add the information from our travel passports. Here we should write the number of a document and its the information by whom it was issued, and then the validity. So the start date and the end date is here. And here we should mention also our residence. So usually it's the same state as where you were born. Then the postcode and the address. Then we choose our password, confirm it, and then click register. You receive a confirmation email and then you can log in. So now let's go back and log in. Most students will need only two blocks from this application. One is here, personal data, and another one is pre-enrollment application. This personal data, let's see, we can just check if the information we entered before is correct. Most importantly is pre-enrollment application, which you need to get our visa. It includes several steps. First of all, we have to choose the year we apply, so it's 2026, 2027. We check our name, surname, birthday, gender, country of birth, town, our citizenship. Then we check our address, our contact information, and then we go to step B. In step B, we have to write again our passport number, travel passport, its expiration date. Also prepare in advance one passport size picture of your face and one scan of your of your travel passport. You will have to upload it here. Choose the country for visa application. This is one of the most important steps. So you should choose the country from the list, and based on this, it will provide you options where you can apply for a visa. Also check in advance which embassy is closer to you and where you can apply. And here we choose the reason for visa application. So because we are applying for study reasons, we want to study in Italy, so we click I want to enroll in a study course. Then we should find the information about our university. So here we choose the type of university. For example, let's say Universitaly. And here we check for university name. You cannot find the name of the university in English, try to find it in Italian. The Italian will find it. And let's choose, for example, Bologna. Okay, it's here. And here we choose in which course we are enrolling. For example, if you're enrolling in Masters, it's Laurea Magistrale. Here we are looking for our program. You can see the list. Um, yeah, and here there will be a course location. You can check it, but I mean you cannot change it in any way. And here you will see the information of the course you are enrolling to. Here you should add your ID or email. For example, for University of Bologna, it will be your university email. But for example, for Politecnico di Torino, you would have to write an ID of account, which is a mix of numbers and letters. And then we go to step C, where we have to upload all necessary documents for the pre-enrollment. The basic list of the documents includes your bachelor diploma, your diploma supplement, also transcript of grades, language certificate, um, CV, some recommendation letters. Here, for example, I also uploaded some documents, some certificates, which would make my application stronger. Make sure to open all the things you uploaded here if it opens correctly, so you will not have any problems. And then we click on summary. It will give you the summary of all the information you enter. Because this one is my old pre-enrollment application, we can click here and see how the end result should look like. It looks like this. It's a document with the summary of everything. And here I want to press your attention on the third page where we have academic eligibility. If you look here, it's written the student is admitted to the course and everything is fine. However, when I first applied all my documents, I received the document which was saying a bit different thing. Let me show you here. It's written that the student is admitted to the course under condition. And because of this under condition, I could not get my visa. I already applied, still on Universitaly information was that I admitted to the course under condition. But as soon as the study office changed it to the student admitted to the course, I got my visa. So be sure to upload all of the documents, and if you uploaded some documents later, inform your study office that you did some changes and they have to update and check your application. With this document, then you print it and then you go to your visa appointment. I hope this video will help you to submit your pre-enrollment application easily with no worries and problems. But also, I wanted to highlight that if you get admitted to several universities, be very mindful about in which university you want to send the pre-enrollment application, because once you send your pre-enrollment application through Universitaly, uh, it, it's kind of hard to get it back and resubmit it for another university. So think twice before you are sending your pre-enrollment application. Hope you enjoyed this video and you'll find it helpful. Have a nice day. And if you have any questions, please feel free to write them in the comment section. We will be happy to answer them.